The Johnson family, Mark, Linda, and their two children, Emma and Noah, decided to spend their winter vacation at a remote estate known as Angela's Palace. The grand mansion was located deep in the woods, surrounded by snow-covered pines. Mark had found it through an ad that promised a tranquil winter retreat. The family arrived late in the evening. The caretaker, an elderly man named Mr. Grayson, greeted them. His voice was low and raspy, and his eyes seemed to follow them with an unsettling intensity. He handed them the keys and muttered something that sounded like, "Be careful after midnight." The first night was peaceful, but Emma, the youngest, said she heard whispering from the hallway. It was like someone calling my name. She told her mother the next morning. Linda brushed it off as a dream. As the days passed, the family began noticing strange things. The portraits on the walls seemed to change expressions when no one was looking. Footsteps echoed from the upper floors, though they were the only ones in the house. Emma found an old doll in the attic with one eye missing. She swore it moved when she wasn't looking. Noah, the older child, stumbled upon a dusty diary in a hidden compartment of the study. It belonged to Angela, the previous owner of the mansion. Her last entry read, "They come for me every winter. I can hear them in the walls. I can feel their icy breath. I must not let them in." That night, a snowstorm trapped the family inside. The windows frosted over, and the temperature in the house dropped drastically, despite the roaring fire in the fireplace. At exactly midnight, the whispers began. This time they were loud and unmistakable. They weren't calling Emma's name anymore. They were calling all their names. The family huddled together in the living room when they heard the creak of the main door opening. A cold wind swept through the room, and with it came shadowy figures with hollow eyes. The figures whispered, "Stay with us forever," as they slowly advanced. Mark grabbed the diary and read the final page aloud, which described a ritual to banish the spirits. Linda lit a candle as instructed, while the children held hands. The shadows shrieked and retreated into the walls as the ritual ended. When morning came, the snowstorm had passed, and the family wasted no time leaving Angela's palace. As they drove away, Emma turned back to look at the mansion and saw Angela herself standing in the window, smiling faintly and holding the one-eyed doll. The Johnsons never spoke of their experience again, but they would always remember the chilling winter they spent at Angela's palace. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel.